Hi besties, hello. Today is one of the most important days of the year. So today is November 7th, which is the release date of Iron Flame. And it is currently 4:46 p.m. and I am still waiting on Amazon to deliver my package. I am physically prepared, mentally not even close. I have my Dragon Riders shirt on, as one does. Like, it's only fucking appropriate for this situation. But I'm just like sitting here twiddling my thumbs, you know, just waiting to get my package. My 2 books should literally be here in the next few hours. I'm so tired of waiting. I've literally been waiting all day. Alexia got hers yesterday. Amazon blessed her and God chose her as his favorite yesterday and gave her books a whole day early. So I'm just sitting here waiting. So in the meantime, I'm going to continue reading Assassin's Blade on my Kindle because I bought the box set, and this is my new Kindle, by the way. You guys haven't seen her yet, but this is her. Literally, my ghost is reading Fourth Wing. So I'm a true fan, obviously. But that is the game plan. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below, including my Goodreads and my Amazon wish list. Let me know if you got your Iron Flame on the day of release and if you finished that shit as soon as possible. And yeah, let's get into the reading vlog. Time has come. Okay, so this is the holiday special edition. Sprayed edges. The inside is so fucking cool. I love it. There's nothing special about the book itself without the dust jacket. And then I'm not ready. So we're gonna scratch the OG plan, and we are just going to read the new chapters in this book. Found them. Bonus content. So the bonus chapters are chapter 9 and chapter 16, both in Xaden Daddy's POV. So this is where we're gonna start. Literally, y'all don't even understand. So reading time. I'm gonna put on my reading playlist and I'm going to ignore the world. Okay, I finished the extended chapters, loved them, and now it is time to read this book. First of all, this weighs a brick ton. Like, this is so heavy. Part 1. Hello, it is a few days later, actually. It is now Thursday the 9th, and I just wanted to give a little reading update. I didn't do much reading on Tuesday because I got my book so late and I was so tired, so I didn't get a lot of reading done. But then I picked it up again yesterday. I'm now on chapter 9, page 73, and I'm really liking it so far. I've teared up a few times because of something they've talked about that happened in the last book, and it just like, it hurts my heart because I'm just like, stop mentioning it, stop bringing it up, because it just hurts. It's just sad. I'm enjoying it so far. I like being back in this world, back with these characters. I love Violet, obviously. She's just such a badass, and I'm gonna do my best throughout this video not to do too many spoilers, but if there are gonna be like spoiler sections, I will make sure to let you know and you can like skip ahead a little bit. But there's not really too much spoiling things that I have to say yet, but I know that moment will come. We are literally like 10% through the book or something, so there's definitely plenty for me to say eventually. But I'm really hoping we get Xaden's point of view at some point. I feel like we might. I don't know for sure, but I'm really praying. I have a few packages that are going to be delivered this afternoon that I'm going to show you guys later, and I'll probably give you another reading update. But I'm just going to continue reading for now, and we will see what happens. Okay, besties, I got 3 super exciting packages today, and if you don't know, my birthday is on the 19th of November. I am a Scorpio, so I love being a little Scorpio. We are super feisty, but my birthday is on the 19th, and I will be 20 years old. I'm going to be a really like actual real adult this year. Like, obviously, like, I'm a legal adult. I'm not in college anymore. Like, I do adult things, but I just feel like being in your 20s is like a whole nother ball game. And so I've been doing a little shopping for myself, you know, as you do when it's almost your birthday. Like, I will literally tell myself for the whole month of November that, oh, well, my birthday's soon, so I can buy this for myself. And it's like, it's a bad thing, but it's fine, because the 3 packages that came in the mail today, I'm just going to show you the things that I have bought for myself that came in the mail today. And one of these actually is related to this video in a way, sort of, kind of. So, I was looking on Amazon, and I've been looking on Amazon, Waterstones, Barnes & Noble, you know, like as a book addict does. Like, I'm constantly adding like certain UK editions to my Waterstones cart, or on Barnes & Noble I'll add like Barnes & Noble exclusive editions of things or special editions of things. On Amazon I have like my pre-orders. Like, I use the 3 of them for 3 completely different things. But I was looking at Fourth Wing and Iron Flame because I was waiting for my packages to come in a few days ago, obviously, and I noticed that there was a paperback edition of Fourth Wing that could be purchased with Prime delivery. And so I bought it, and I now have the international Fourth Wing in paperback off of Amazon. Like, I literally ordered this yesterday, and it came today. This was a little expensive. She was like 30 bucks, but I do not care. Like, I have a paperback of Fourth Wing. Who in America can say that they have a paperback of Fourth Wing? Not very many people. So, I have that, which I'm literally so happy about. I cannot wait to add this to my collection. Clearly, my Fourth Wing and Iron Flame collection is just growing. I now have 3 versions of Fourth Wing. I don't have that many versions of any other book. As you know, I'm a huge Taylor stan. I'm a little Swiftie. And a few months ago, the first like merch release for 1989 came out. So I ordered one of the sweatshirts. I have another order coming in December, which is gonna be an amazing one because I cannot wait to wear all of those things. But in this one, I got this crew neck with Taylor on it, and it has the birds on the back. And I saw this and I thought it was just so cool, and I needed to have it, so I got that. And then the last order that came in was like my actual birthday gift to myself. Like, with my new job, I've been working really hard, and I just felt like I deserved to actually treat myself to something that was specifically for my birthday. So I bought another pair of Uggs. These ones are completely different than the ones I have, okay? So don't try and come at me. I love my Tasmans so much. And so a lot of people have the platform minis. Well, I don't really like the platform, but I like the minis. So the other day I was just looking on Uggs website, and they had my size and the exact Uggs I wanted in stock. So I ordered them. And here they are. They're so freaking cute. They're so soft. I'm actually obsessed with them. Live, laugh, love. So I cannot wait to wear these because just look how cutie they are. So those are my packages of the day. I read for like half an hour so far today, but I blew out my hair, did my lash extensions, cleaned my room. Like, there's been things I've been doing as well, but I definitely plan on continuing to read for the night. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick haul, and now I'm gonna clean my room and then read again. Hello and welcome back to the vlog, or I guess welcome back for me because it's been a few days since I have filmed. I know this is a reading vlog, but I love to do little hauls in my little vlogs. So I have some things that are mostly book related to show you, so I figured I would. Little Iron Flame update. I am roughly 150 pages in. Today is Saturday and it was my 6th day straight of working, so I haven't had much time to read, unfortunately. I am loving the book so far. It has been making me feel very emotional, and I have a feeling that something terrible is going to happen to one of my favorite characters, and I'm like absolutely petrified, and I think it will absolutely shatter my soul if this happens. So I'm a little nervous, but anyways, let's do a little haul. So from Target, I got this Stanley. Not that I need another one because I have 3, now 4, but she's green with like teal on her. She's super cute. And then I also bought 3 CDs, all Taylor obviously. So I bought one of the exclusive editions of 1989. I need to open it and see which posters and stuff are in there. And then I also bought the Target version of Folklore because I just think it's really pretty. And then I bought Lover because I don't have this CD, and this is like, I don't even know what this is. It says 30 plus pages of Taylor's personal journal entries, lyrics and photos in a journal and a poster or some shit. I have no clue what this is, but I got those. And then I got an Amazon package with some books in it. So I bought Hopeless, which is the newest and final book in the Chestnut Springs series. So I have the full complete series in the special editions. And then I bought the new release of Two Twisted Crowns by Rachel Gillig. This is the second book to One Dark Window. So I got that. And then I went to Barnes yesterday for 2 books specifically that came out this week. So I bought the special edition from Barnes of Powerless because this was like re-released by like a publisher, and so obviously I had to buy that because I needed to have this edition. And then I also bought the special edition, or the Barnes edition, of Love Redesigned by Lauren Asher. And this also just came out. So I'm very excited. I've heard really, really, really good things about this. I'm very excited about this one. So we have some new book goodies that have come in, which I'm very, very excited about. I love new books. So that's my little haul. I don't really have much else to update on. I am not 100% sure what I'm doing yet tonight. I might be hanging out with friends, but I also might just stay home and read. I haven't really decided. So yeah. every fucking time we get a Zayden moment, I cry. What is wrong with me? Like, why am I so obsessed with him? Why do I love him so much? He's so in love with Violet. And it makes me so sad. I want what they have. I want what they have. Like, I don't smile when stuff with them happens. I cry every fucking time. This book has made me cry so many times. Like, this is already Infinity Star book, and I'm so scared for the end. I'm absolutely petrified to read the end, because I think it's gonna be so bad and so heart-wrenching that I'm gonna cry for days when I think about it. I finished the book. And I fucking knew that something terrible was gonna happen. I am not okay. I will talk to you guys at a later date. But right now. So it has been a few days since I finished Iron Flame, and I figured I would just give my final thoughts really fast, because obviously the last time you saw me I was having a complete mental breakdown. So I overall ended up giving it 4.5 stars. I was very emotional throughout reading this book just because of my gut feeling that something bad and a cliffhanger was gonna happen at the end. And so there were so many moments where I just, like, my heart just, like, I don't know. And I feel like this book truly solidified my love for, like, Zayden and Violet's relationship. Like, I just truly fell in love with them as a couple, and their character development and them working on their relationship, like, it just really touched me, and like I just really loved their romance. The found family in these books is literally like unmatched. It's so good. And so overall I really loved the book. It definitely took me longer to get through than I expected, but I feel like I'm just kind of going through a bit of a slump right now. Like, I've just had so much other stuff going on. It's been really hard for me to find time and the energy to read. But overall, Iron Flame was so good. I'm so happy that I have the sprayed edge edition. I will definitely be putting my dust jacket, like, back on my book, but I just wanted to give a little final update for you guys. I was going to do a haul of everything I bought today, because today is my 20th birthday, so happy birthday to me. But I feel like I would like to keep this video a little bit more just Iron Flame focused, so I might do like a TikTok or something instead. But I hope you guys enjoyed me reading Iron Flame and all my reactions. I love and appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.